Hello, you're watching Eastern Journal, making news sense. I'm Athar Bengya, so let's get started. We, the team of Eastern Journal, wish you a very happy Christmas 2021. Well, when we talk about the Christmas, the first thing that click into our mind is the chocolates, Santa Claus, gifts, and an ideal Christmas celebration. Meanwhile, let's shift our focus onto the people who cannot afford for such ideal Christmas. Let us make this Christmas a Christmas kindness by donating what we've been blessed with. As Maya Angelou always says, when you learn, teach, and when you get, give. While carrying forward the Christmas kindness, they might not remember the toys and the gift they have received, but they shall definitely remember that somebody remembered them, and somebody remembered them that they existed in this world. So today I'm here at Deepak Nabam Living Home, a home for no home, for the Christmas Day celebration. So let's have a look around. Right now with me is Mayor IMC Mr. Tame Pasang sir, and today he has come to Deepak Nabam Living Home to grace the occasion. So sir, first of all, I wish you a very happy Christmas and welcome to Eastern Journal, sir. Sir, what is the Christmas kindness to you, and what would be your, the philanthropy and everything? Are you providing any financial support, assistance to the Deepak Nabam Living Home, a home for no home?
Fine, ma'am. First of all, in my personal and on behalf of my entire team, I mean the Itanagar Municipal Corporation, on the auspicious occasion of Christmas, we wish in particular Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar category ke liye, in general, country and universal as a whole. As you know, Christmas is for all. It's a joyous day. It's to celebrate, and then all other events are there. For that, we do really wish entire world. So for your second question is concerned, the small help towards Deepak Nabam Home.
Yeah, about the financial.
Yeah, of course. You see, Deepak Nabam is working something extraordinary, especially for the people of Arunachal Pradesh, those who are mentally retarded, and some people, their relative has already quite their system, and some ladies I have seen interacted this morning, they're really in a trouble in their life. They can't leave, or they can't stay. In such a crucial juncture, they're staying with Deepak Nabam now in this living home. So after after seeing all this condition, I feel I should also do something for these people. So in our corporation we have system, especially I have a subject of social justice, where we to see all these problems, and we have a state grant and we have a central grant too to assist all these systems. So today I announced a small help for Deepak Nabamji, 25 lakhs in immediate next month. He will decide, he don't have proper kitchen now. He's catering more than 200 people. That way he will do whatever he will like, but from our side we have given this small token of love, and we shared a beautiful movement on this 2021 Christmas in the right place. I already announced कि पवित्र दिन में और पवित्र जगह, in a special day on a special place we celebrated. I feel very blessed. I feel very honored, happy.
So, sir, what would be your Christmas message to the people of Arunachal Pradesh, the viewers who are looking us right now?
Message, ma'am, see, special, my serious message will be, please help, please come out for the sake of humanitarian. beyond politics, beyond all social groups, beyond all religious belief, I appeal entire human being should come out for a human service. So here you see in this society, ऐसे संस्था में बाकी सिंपल लोगों के लिए, खास करके ईटानगर जनों को मैं तहे दिल से आपको मैं अपील करना चाहूँगा। दीपक नाबम जी जिस संस्था, ऐसे संस्था को चला रहा है, आपको मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल के हिंदी में बोलना चाहूँगा। धर्म से छोड़कर सरकारी राजनीति, पार्टी, बीजेपी, कांग्रेस सब छोड़ के इंसान जाति का इंसानियत काम के लिए निकालिए। आतर जी आप जैसे कर रहा है, और CN/CD आपका 2 टीम आया हुआ है, आप दोनों का माध्यम से हम ये अपील करना चाहेगा कि हम लोग सब कंधे से कंधा मिला के इंसान जाति के लिए काम करेंगे। खास करके प्रेस मीडिया वालों को भी हम रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि ऐसा सर्विस में आप ज़्यादा ध्यान दीजिए। खास करके अतर जी, यू आर वेरी पॉपुलर नाउ, इसलिए आपका पॉपुलरिटी को या 80% को दे देना है। और कैपिटल वाला चैनल तो बहुत आगे है, मुझे पता है, आप कैपिटल से रिलेट करता है, और हम IMC भी इस काम से जुड़ा हुआ है। तो कुल मिला के आपने जैसे बोला है, आज मैं ये संदेशा देना चाहूँगा, आई पर्सनली एंड इन कैपेसिटी ऑफ मेयर, कि सारा ईटानगर का जितना वासी है, जो वेल टू डू पीपल, खास करके जिसका पास मदद करने का लायक है, ऐसा नहीं कि आप करोड़ करोड़ मदद करना है। अब कोई ब्लैंकेट देना है, छोटा छोटा स्मॉल थिंग्स लाइक कोई बर्तन देना है, कोई प्लेट देना है, कोई जिसका पास प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, वो सर्विस का मदद करना है। हम दिल से सिंपल में बोल रहे हैं, सर्विस का मदद करना है और काम शाम का मदद करना है, या अलग अलग ढंग का मदद को दीपक जी वेलकम करता है। वो कुछ मांगता नहीं है, लेकिन दुनिया के लिए कुछ देने से हर किसी को मेरा हक है, हमको देना चाहिए। मैं
Sir, if you have a time, I have one more question. Politics aside, when we talk about the Christmas kindness, there are other people who are not being able to, celebrate the ideal Christmas because they cannot afford to it. So, do you have any any plans to visit orphanage and?
Ma'am, see, in Christianity, I don't feel so. Maybe you are in a wrong footing. No people can what is called, they are aloof, they are away from a Christmas celebration. It's not a matter of money and food and other things. I have seen all Christian people all together, they used to celebrate, they have a different denomination in their respective what is called churches. So they all used to gather with all pomp, and so they used to what is called celebrate Christmas. But in categorically, I'll tell you one thing frankly. I will not quote the name, but some festival is there. Some people is not able to celebrate because of their some lacking of economic, you can say, money issue, this issue, that I don't disclose. I'll not.
So my question to you is: would you be visiting any orphanage or any? There are also Oju Welfare Association.
I used to, ma'am. I used to, not in regular basis, but I used to visit. You please follow me. My corporator belongs to section number 17, where orphanage Uju Mission is located. So there, I don't say often used to, not in a regular basis, but I used to go. My only question, my only request will be, you guys please follow me and show me. See, now we have started against this drug menace. The great thing, the real enemy, what we are doing for tomorrow. Tomorrow means you guys, the youths of today is the future of tomorrow. If the youths of today is mingling with all these other anti-activities, what will be our sacrifice? हमने आज जो कर रहा है, हमको क्या होगा? So my appeal on this auspicious day, especially toward the youth force, please no drugs, leave drugs. Recently, Kiran Rijiju ji and Pema Kandu ji, in the same day on 18, they visited. I was the member of Nisi Christian Baptist Church, celebrated 50 years Golden Jubilee. वहाँ पे वो लोगों ने एक specifically decide किया. I was so सो हैप्पी मैम। वहाँ में वो लोग बोला है कि हम लोग रीहैब सेंटर खोल रहे हैं। दे हैव टेकन ए माइलस्टोन डे, अकॉर्डिंगली अभी एक रीहैब सेंटर आ रहा है। हम आपसे, आपका माध्यम से ये अपील करना चाहेगा कि रीहैब सेंटर को खाली बैठने दीजिए। आप ड्रग्स, नो ड्रग्स, कोई ड्रग्स मत लीजिए, कोई गलत काम मत करिए। Thank you.
Sir, I don't get this usual opportunity, so I have a last question for you. Can you please update about the solid waste management plant in Chimpu?
Not in Chimpu. For Itanagar, I was telling in my speech, we have started septic plant. See, ma'am, NGT, I have some issue with, recently some few days back, I have some issue with NGT, National Green Tribunal. They have made penalty of 95 lakhs. So what we are doing now, we are gearing our entire system now. To make surveillance free, we need three things. One is septic STP, sewerage treatment plant, septic treatment plant, and as you said, solid waste management plan. These three things are equally important to make city clean, or to, like I was in a number 7 dirtiest city in India, below 1 million, below 3 million, उसमें 3 लाख से नीचे में हम छोटा था, 7 डर्टीएस्ट सिटी हुआ। अभी हम लोगों ने कमर कस लिया, हम आपको हिंदी में बता रहे हैं। करसिंग साहब में हम लोगों का एक फाइनल हो गया। चिंपू वाला को एबंडन हुआ बिकॉज वो एनजीटी के तहत नहीं आता है, इसे नेशनल हाईवे। नाउ हम लोग ने 40 गाड़ी अभी पेमा खांडू जी का मेहरबानी से, सरकार का मेहरबानी से, पहले मेन पावर भी नहीं था, गाड़ी भी नहीं था। हाल ही में हम लोग अभी 100 एबो वी हैव रेस आवर मेन पावर फॉर कैपिटल सिटी। आतर जी, आप हमको दिल्ली में, आप मेरा एम्बेसडर बन जाइए, सिटी दिए। दूसरा, हमने पहले हम लोगों को पास गाड़ी घोड़ा ढंग से नहीं था, अभी हम लोग 40 गाड़ी रेस किया, 20 गाड़ी कमिश्नर साहब हम दोनों काल मंगा लिया। अभी हम लोग वेल इक्विप है। मैंने पहले आप लोगों को अपील किया कैपिटल को साफ करने के लिए, हम मेरा घर को साफ करेगा, अब आपका घर को साफ करेगा, सब मिलके हम लोग विल मेक कैपिटल ग्रीन, क्लीन, लॉलेस सिटी। But we need Jan Andolan, Jan Bhagyadari. We need people's support, ma'am. We are doing it.
Mayor sir, you are doing amazing work. Thank you so much.